Today we're gonna cook chicken curry, Filipino style. So we're gonna have a half chicken cut up. We're gonna use this curry powder. We're gonna use this coconut milk, extra virgin oil, fish sauce, salt, ground pepper. We're gonna have garlic, onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, carrots, ginger, and potato. It's already sliced. We're gonna start with this virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna put the ginger. Okay, after the ginger, we're gonna put the garlic. Next is the onion. After the onion, we're gonna put the chicken. We're gonna put salt and pepper. 1 teaspoon of pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we need to brown the chicken. We're gonna cover the chicken. Okay, let's check the chicken now. Okay, looks like the chicken is already brown. There is no more trace of blood. And now I'm gonna put fish sauce. About 2 tablespoons, and then we'll add more later if it needed. Stir it. Add 1 cup of water. Cover and let it simmer for like 30 to 45 minutes when the chicken is tender. Okay, now it's time to check the chicken. It's been cooking for like 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, the liquid is almost gone. So I'm gonna put the potato. The potato, I soak it in water so they don't turn brown. I'm gonna put the carrots, bell pepper. They all go in at one time. Stir it. Cook it like 2 minutes, and then we'll put the others. Now it's time to check the chicken. 2 minutes passed. All right. I'm gonna add this coconut milk. Oh, how come it's solid? The coconut milk is solid. It got frozen. It's not even winter time anymore. Okay. Let me turn up the fire. You stir it after you put the coconut milk. That's when we're gonna put this curry powder. I'll just put whatever I want. I don't really measure. I'll just taste it later, see what it tastes like. See if I need some more or that's that's enough. I think that's about 2 tablespoons that I put in there. But I want to put a lot of curry, so I may add more later. See, now it looks like soupy because I put that one can of coconut milk. But I don't like my my chicken curry to be soupy. So we're gonna cook this again until the potato, the carrots are soft, and by that time there's no more soup. It's gonna be like gravy. And now it's time to check the chicken. Check the potato if it's already tender. It's almost tender. And then let's taste it if it needs more of the curry. I think I need a little bit more. Maybe 1 teaspoon. Like that. Then let's stir it. Okay. It's not soupy no more. Maybe 5 more minutes it should be done. Time to check the chicken curry. Now let's taste it. Perfect. I think it's time to turn it off now. It's ready to serve. Yummy.
Rolling.
Alright, I got some rice. And I'm gonna get some of this ooh, can you see it, honey? I'm gonna get some of this chicken curry. Then I'm gonna have this I like the backbone. Alright, now can you take a video of me eating it? In the Philippines we use spoon. We don't use no fork. Isn't that too far?
No, I can't get you. No.
I'm supposed to just get my mouth. Okay, this is for you guys. Chicken curry Filipino style. We got visitor. Honey, you're supposed to be taking my picture, my video, okay?
OJ
This is for you
important
guys.
too.
It's hot. I have to blow it. I'll burn my mouth. Masarap!
What? What? OJ?
Honey, that's why you're gonna be a cameraman.
Okay.
Instead of taking me a video here, oh no, you're gonna be in the counter. I gotta close this.
It's OJ right there. OJ.
I gotta put this back.
OJ. Like that. Like that.
Hey, this is my show, not OJ. Can you, honey? Alright, I'm gonna taste the
Hurry
meat.
up, I gotta get back to my game.
Well, who's playing?
Celtics, of course.
Oh, Boston. Okay, one more time. This is for
Let's
you
see
guys
your big
again.
Big mouth. And you? Are you a big mouth too?
Very. Bigger than mine. That's a wrap.